Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kaliang persya haka jela ke Kongres haka khat pratri gubernur Jemang arjar arpuai kala keno baka Sorkar kala Ïalam Bakla yaki pajba bat ka supen kesan jubor Halor ka Jingthung Director ya UMK Chetry ha ka Distribution of Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Unong aikitin ke Kongres uzenit sangma ulakam baka MEECL kala thung ya Chetry kumu Director da ka bapentam jubor ya ka jinglong rangba haka kam bat kane kala khanglat yaki wei ki badai hok bat kala donru ka jing ujor persya ya kane ka jing penkhany ka MEECL ya ka kendon da uba matchbon marbanyang ubala kham rangba haka kerdan uba bat ya ka kam komu Superintendent Engineering bat u Additional Chief Engineer hapo katanat boarding. Unong Ïalam ka seng Kongres ulo keno ru ba ka jingkot ya ka company na Noida Uttar Pradesh ban wan pentre ya kisan pohon reutili ki substation hapo ka jilla kamdon jing mentoy satya ya ka jilla ne ya ka MEECL namar ki company na bar jong ka jilla kim tip ya ka jingdon kam hapo ka jilla pat ladawaru badai ban khot ban tokit da ka CBI ya ka kendrum kendram ha MEECL badru ban weng shwa ya u James PK sangma ko bu menteri bat kumjuru ya u chairman kom managing director katanat sam boarding.
I would like to reiterate about the claim of the Minister of Power, Mr. James K. Sangma, about the promotion of Mr. M. K. Chetry to the post of Director Distribution, claiming that he is the senior-most Chief Engineer and he has not superseded any of the senior officers. Therefore, the promotion of Mr. M. K. Chetry to the post of Director Distribution is justifiable, which is not actually correct. It is not correct because Mr. M. K. Chetry is not senior Chief Engineer. Above him, there are 5 different local chief engineers in MECL. And to occupy the post of Director Distribution, any chief engineer who has been experienced for at least 1 complete year is eligible to be promoted to the post of Director Distribution. Well, when the earlier Director Distribution got retired and the post was lying vacant, that time Mr. Chetry was Chief Engineer for 5 months only. And intentionally, the government didn't appoint Director Distribution for long 7 months after it was lying vacant. And when Mr. M. K. Chetry has completed 1 complete year, and hence when he has been eligible to occupy the post of Director Distribution, then he was promoted to the post of Director Distribution, superseding 5 chief engineers who are senior to him. So, why it is to be done? Because from the actions we can see the government, and there are people in the government and MECL, be the Minister of Power or the Chief Minister, they have got some unlawful intention. It is alleged to be having some unlawful intention. Otherwise, why they would wait till such time when Mr. Chetry would be eligible to occupy the post of Director Distribution? And right after his promotion was announced, there has been lots of resentments, lots of opposition from different social activities, different NGOs, and in spite of that, the government has gone ahead with a promotion and allowed Mr. M.K. Chetry to join as Director of Distribution on the 3rd of May 2021. The President of the UDP and the Honorable Speaker, Mr. Medvalingdo, has written to the Honorable Chief Minister demanding the review of the promotion of Mr. M.K. Chetry to the post of Director of Distribution. But the Chief Minister didn't pay any heed to it and rather allowed Mr. M.K. Chetry to join in the post on the 3rd of May 2021. It is very unfortunate. So, I demand that it should be reviewed, and when the inquiry is constituted, it should be free and fair so that justice can be given to the people of the state. Everybody knows that the MCL is undergoing lots of financial problems. Even the Chief Minister has lately admitted to this problem. According to the statement of the Chairman cum Managing Director, we can understand that Meghalaya is generating only 60 megawatts of power out of 350 installed capacity. That means we are losing 290 megawatts on daily basis. So if we consider 80% to be in operation also, we are losing generation capacity of 232 megawatts daily. If it is converted into units, that means 232 into 1000 into 24 is coming to 55 lakhs 68,000 units. In other words, 5.568 million units. So, if we calculate or if we evaluate this, say if we consider it to be at a rate of 3 rupees, so 3 into 55 lakhs 68,000, that means it is more than 1 crore 67 lakhs. That means we are losing 1 crore 67 lakhs of revenue daily, on daily basis. So if we calculate it for 30 days, that means we are losing the revenue of more than 50 crores in a month. It's a big amount. If we are losing the revenue of more than 50 crores in a month, that means in whole year it is around 600 crores. Is it not a big amount? Why then the MCL and its leadership is not giving priority to repair these machines and allow all the power installed capacity, according to the installed capacity, to allow it to generate fully? Therefore, I feel that the MSL should pull its socks and rectify it immediately. I would like to ask the Chief Minister on what intention these machines have not been repaired for more than 1 year, making the MSL to lose such a big amount, around 600 crores in a year. It's not a joke. I'm talking about all these things based on the statement of the CMD himself. Rather than giving priority on this management part, the MSL in its leadership, the minister power, the chief minister, they are allegedly giving focus on other things, be it making fast and easy money, be it in revising the existing estimates exorbitantly, be it allowing or awarding the works to any single outside firm or single selected contractor, and so on and so forth. So this is nothing but they are converting this MSL to a milch cow. So it is very much alarming. So in this regard, I would like to request the friends from other regional parties who are part and parcel of the MJ government to take a call and try to save the state immediately for the benefit of the people of the state. I could see the only aim of this government is to sell out the MSL, take loan to the extent that it cannot repay, put the MSL in debt trap, and ultimately give it to the private party. That is the very aim of this present government. The Honorable Chief Minister has ordered to set up an independent inquiry. But when there has to be independent inquiry, it should not be less than CBI, because it is a premium agency which deals with the corruption. And while doing so, it should allow free and fair inquiry, and to do that, the present minister power and chairman cum managing director should be removed to enable to have a free and fair inquiry.